Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, simple and easy beef stew recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. This is a simple recipe, so let's get to it. To start off with, in a pan you're going to add some oil. I'm using garlic infused oil. Then to that I'm just going to add some fennel seeds. I'm giving that a mix just to make sure that my seeds are inside the oil. Then I'm going to be adding some curry powder. Then I'm adding some ground coriander. Then I'm just going to give that a mix, and I'm going to allow this to start toasting in my oil for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until the color starts to turn a dark brown like what you see now. Then to that I'm just going to add 2 twigs of thyme, fresh thyme. I'm going to give that a quick mix as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our meat. So the purpose of this exercise is that I'm going to add in our meat as it is now. You'll notice that I didn't brown our meat before because I want to basically do that exercise of coating it in this spice mix that I've created here. So I'm giving that a mix right now. Then I'm going to just show you guys how that looks. So that's how that's going to be looking. So then I'm going to start adding more spices. I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. Then I've also added some ginger and also some freshly minced garlic. I'm going to give that a quick mix just so that everything is nice and equally combined. Then I'm going to be adding some tomato paste as well. And lastly, I'm going to add some beef stock. So I've got 2 stock cubes that I've just dissolved in 1 cup of water. Then I'm just going to give that a quick mix again to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. And then we're going to allow that to cook and simmer away for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you can see our sauce has thickened. It's also enriched itself. All the spices have blended together. Then I'm going to move over to the next step, which is adding a vegetable. In this case, I'm only going to be adding carrots. You're welcome to also add potatoes, sweet potato, if that's what you fancy. But for my recipe today, I'm only adding some carrots. I'm going to give that a mix just so that I can submerge my carrots inside the sauce. I'm going to allow that to simmer away for about 10 minutes. And this is what the stew looks like. It's such a quick, simple and easy winter ready recipe. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.